Hello everyone. Today I'm going to ask you to do something a little bit different, so bear with me. We've looked at Roman numerals all week, but this time I want you to use your knowledge of Roman numerals to try these things. I'm going to give you a few tips for it, but otherwise I want you to try this yourself. So, using all three letters, make the smallest possible number and the largest possible number using X, V, and I. No other letters. Remember that X is 10, V is 5, and I is 1. The others I think you can read for yourself, so I'm not going to waste your time here. With these ones, you need to convert the Roman numerals to the other one, to the Arabic numerals, and vice versa. And for this one, I want you to tell me if this is true and give me an example of why it is sometimes true, always true, or never true. Again, remember that X and V, X is 10 and V is 5. So pause the video and try that, then I am going to show you an example of how we're going to reason with some other things. So now, hopefully you've done these, probably will have taken you a few minutes. So let's look at this one, true or false, and why. Larger numbers need more Roman numerals. We talked about this a bit yesterday. And if you do, I want you to give these two pairs of examples. So it kind of links with our work from yesterday. What number up to 10 uses the most numerals? Well, why don't you write them down now, write the numbers 1 to 10, and then see if you can count how many they have. If you do it, what you should find is that I, V, and X, they all use one letter. I, V, and VI, they use 2. I uses 3, but VII, 8, is the one that uses 4, so that's the most. So in this case, we can see that, at least for the small numbers, it's not the largest number that has the most letters. It is almost the one that's furthest away from like a midpoint. So it's halfway between 5 and 10, right? But you can also look at other much bigger numbers, like we were looking at the years yesterday. So in this case, MCMIX, which is 1909 or 1909, has more than MM because it's 2000. And that's because MM is a larger amount. It's a nice round number. It's not far away from the milestone, the round numbers here. Now it's going to be your turn again. For these ones, you're going to do a similar idea. I want you to give the examples to support it. So the first one, the 7 times tables needs to use the I, V, and X numerals. So I would suggest writing out the 7 times table, then writing in Roman numerals. Try and complete the sequences, finding out the missing bit. So in this one, it's going X, XV, XX. How much is going up each time? And for this one, see if you can figure out the riddles, if you like, the different order numbers. And once you're done with them, there's 2 more questions for you to try here. Quite a lot of questions today. I'm not giving you too much guidance because I want you to do these yourself. But if you have any problems, please do post on the blog or send me an email. I'll be happy to help. And of course, I've got the Zoom group if you're in it tomorrow morning. Good luck and let me know how you get on.